Dear student, welcome to this session. I am Khalil Ahmed Chikkerur, Maths Paper 1 Differential Equation and Fourier Transform. So in this session, we continue the discussion about simultaneous total differential equation. So in this session, we discuss about second method. So simultaneous total differential equation can be solved by this method also. Since by well-known principle of algebra, each fraction of dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r is equal to p1 dx plus q1 dy plus r1 dz divided by p1 p plus q1 q plus r1 r equal to p2 x p2 dx plus q2 dy plus r2 dz divided by p2 p plus q2 q plus R2R, where P1, Q1, R1, P2, Q2, R2 are functions of x, y, z or constant. If P1, P plus Q1, Q, R1 are equal to 0, then we know that the numerator is also equal to 0. That is P1 dx plus Q1 dy plus R1 dz equal to 0, which can be integrated to give a solution u1 equal to c1. Here p1, q1, r1 are called multiplier. We can choose p1, q1, r1 such that the denominator, if you simplify denominator, it is equal to 0. Suppose if p2 p plus q2 q plus r2 are equal to 0 for some other set of multipliers p2, q2, r2, then we can get another solution. In case of only one solution by this method, then another solution may be obtained by using the first method. So example, solve a dx divided by b minus c bracket yz b into dy divided by c minus a into zx equal to c dz divided by a minus b into xy. So the given differential equation is 1. So just by inspection method, by saying usually the denominator is in symmetric form yz, zx, xy. So by inspection we choose the multiplier. By using multipliers x, y, z, we get each fraction is equal to, so ax, so adx is ax dx plus by dy plus cz dz. So denominator is 0. Means if you multiply first fraction by x, second by y, third by z and adding, we get 0. Therefore ax dx plus by dy plus cz dz equal to 0. Integrating a is constant, a into x square by 2 plus b into y square by 2 c into z square by 2 equal to c1 by 2. So c1 is integrating constant. Multiply by 2, we get ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to c1. We get one solution. Again using multiplier ax by cz, so another set which is different from first one. We get each fraction is equal to, so already a dx multiply with ax, a square x dx plus b square y dy c square z dz, and denominator is 0. A, so first term, that is denominator of first fraction into ax plus denominator of second fraction into by plus denominator of third fraction into cz and adding. So simplify, we get 0. Therefore a square x dx plus b square y dy plus c square z dz equal to 0. On integrating we get x square by 2 plus b square y square by 2 plus c square z square by 2 equal to c2 by 2. or a square x square plus b square y square plus c square z square equal to c2, that is 3. So equation 1 and 2 represent a complete solution. So this is about second method, solving total differential equation. So solve dx by 6 into y minus z, 2 dy into 3 into z minus x equal to 3 dz into 2 into x minus y. Just if you take the LCM of 6, 3, 2, then we get 6. So 6 ones are 6 twos are. So just by inspection method, the given equation is that 1. So choosing 1, 2, 3 as a multiplier, we get each fraction is equal to 1 into dx plus 2 into 2 is plus 4 dy plus 3 into 3 9 dz divided by 6 y minus z plus 6z minus x plus 6x minus y. If you simplify, we get 0. So therefore dx plus 4 dy plus 9 dz equal to 0. Integrating x plus 4y plus 9z equal to a, that is 2. Choosing another set of multiplier, so 1 2 3, we get x to x in x comma 2y comma 3z as a multiplier. So each ratio is equal to, so x dx plus 4y dy plus 9z dz divided by 0. This implies numerator is equal to 0, x dx plus y dy plus 9z dz equal to 0. Integrating x square by 2 plus 4y square by 2, 9z square by 2 equal to b by 2. So multiplying by 2, x square plus 4y square plus 9z square equal to b. So equation 2 and 3 represent a complete solution. Next example, solve dx by mz minus ny equal to dy by nx minus lz equal to dz divided by ly minus mx. Solution, the given equation are dx divided by mz minus ny equal to dy divided by nx minus lz equal to dz divided by ly minus mx, that is 1. Using L, M, N as multipliers, each ratio is equal to L dx, so L into L dx plus M dy plus N dz divided by L into mz minus ny plus M into nx minus lz plus N into ly minus mx. If you simplify denominator, we get 0. This implies L dx plus M dy plus N dz equal to 0. Integrating Lx plus My plus Nz equal to A is integrating constant, which we denote as equation 2. So choosing another set of multipliers. So here we choose x, y, z as a multipliers. Each ratio in 1 is equal to x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by x into mz minus ny plus y into nx minus lz plus z into ly minus mx. Clearly we see that. So denominator is 0, therefore the numerator is also equal to 0. X dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0. Integrating x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 equal to b by 2. Multiplying by 2, we get x square plus y square plus z square equal to b. So equation 2 and 3 gives a complete solution. Next example, solve x dx divided by x into y minus z equal to dy into y into z minus x equal to dz into z into x minus y. Solution, the given equation are dx equal to x divided by y minus z equal to dy divided by y into z minus x equal to dz into z divided by x minus y equal to 1. Using 1 1 1 as multipliers, each ratio is equal to dx plus dy plus dz x into y minus z plus y into z minus x plus z into x minus y, which is equal to dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. So integrating x plus y plus z equal to a, equation 2. Now second set of multiplier, choosing 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z as a multiplier. Each ratio in equation 1 is equal to 1 upon x dx plus 1 upon y dy plus 1 upon z dz divided by 1 upon x into y minus z, 1 upon y into z minus x plus 1 upon z into z minus z into x minus y. So z x x z y y z cancel. So if simplify, we get 0. 1 upon x dx plus 1 upon y dy plus 1 upon z dz equal to 0. Therefore 1 upon x dx plus 1 upon y dy plus 1 upon z dz equal to 0. Integrating log x plus log y plus log z equal to log b. So which is equal to log of xyz equal to log b. So xyz equal to b. So integrating constant. So equation 2 and 3 gives complete solution. So references. Thank you.